Hi friends, today we are going to learn the single precisions format and double precisions format. As per RTUNI exam point of view, this topic is very important. So first we are going to learn the what do we mean by single precisions format and double precision format. Okay. After that we are going to take one example on single precision format and double precision format. So first we are going to take the example of single precision format or format of single precisions. Okay, first single precisions consist of three most important field, that is called as a sign bit, next exponent bit, and the last bit m, that is called as a mantissa bit. This single precisions format consists of 32 bit 0 to 131. Here mantissa bit consists of 0 to 22, exponent bit consists of 23 to 30, and sign bit consists of 30 to 1, that is called as a 1 bit. Here total we have considered 32 bit. Next we are going to take how a next example, that is called as a double precisions format. How we know the double precisions format are: next, double precision format consists of 64 bit. It again consists of mantissa, exponent bit, and sign bit. Mantissa consists of 52 bit, exponent bit consists of 11 bit, and a sign bit consists of 1 bit. Next, on the basis of single precision format and double precision format, we are going to take one example. But whenever we want to calculate any example values, at that conditions we require single precisions value and double precisions value, that is called as e dash value in single precisions and e dash value in double precisions. To calculate the e dash value in single precisions, we have one notation, that is called as e dash equals to e plus 127, and in double precisions we have second value, that is called as e dash equals to e plus 1023, where we have to find out the value of e. At that conditions directly we get the value of e dash. Next we are going to take one example, that is on the single precisions format. So we have take one value, that is called as a 28.128. After that what we do, we have to take the binary of 28. Again we are going to take the binary of 125. After that we get the binary of 28, that is called as a 11100 dot. We get the binary of 125 by 0 0 1, and here we have to consider one step, that is called as always. Whatever the binary value we have calculated, that always is in the form of 1 point. After that it will be 0 0 or 1 1, but always it should be a 1.00 or 1.11. So because this step we required, we are going to calculate the value of e dash. That's why and to calculate the value of e dash we required e plus that values. So here we consider 1.11000. how many points here we have to take? 1 2 3 4. So that's why here we are going to take into 2 to the power 4. What indicate 4? 4 is indicate e. That is why it require, because it require, we know that e dash equals to e plus 127 for single precision format. After that here we have e dash equals to e plus 127. What is the value of e? E we have take 4. How? This way. After that plus 127. So total calculations value, that is called as a 131. We have to take the binary of 131, that is called as a 10001. This value we have put in single precision format, which consists of the sign bit, exponent bit, and mantissa bit. So it indicate the sign bit, it indicate the exponent bit, and it indicate by the mantissa bit. So why we take the 0 values? Because my number is positive. how it is positive? Because 28.125 is a positive number. That's why here we have taken the 0 values. If it is negative, we are going to take the 1. After that, how we calculate the e value? How we get the e value? How we get e value? We get in this way. That is called as a how we 11000. Next, how we get the mantissa? So to calculate the mantissa, always we require after 1 point, that is called as a 1100. It is your mantissa. So here we have write the mantissa, but that mantissa should be always how many bits? It should always be a 23 bit. So to make it 23 bit, if it is not in 23 bit, to make it 23 bit, we have to always put 0 in a right side. So here we have take 1110. After that we require 23 bit, that means 00000. So it is example of single precision format. Okay.